Her question is, mental health is just as important as physical health. What is her message to someone who is silently struggling? Again, mental health is just as important as physical health. What is her message to someone who is silently struggling?
Thank you so much. The question that was given to me is that mental health is just as important as physical health. What is my message to those who is silently struggling? You know what, ladies and gentlemen, every one of us, we have our silent battles. We have been struggling so much in life that no one knows about. Maybe we smile, we laugh, but deep down inside us, we are shattered and we are broken. And the only message that I can give to someone struggling with their mental health is to keep going. Never ever let any circumstances stop you from reaching and achieving your goals and your dreams in life. Because I believe that no matter how hard the experience, the struggle, always remember